Thank you.
Just one look and I can hear a bell ring. One more look and I forget everything. Oh, mamma mia, here I go again. Mama, how can I resist you? Mamma mia, does it show again? Mama, just how much I missed you. Yeah, something broken, but since the day we parted.
Now it's time for Mr. Robbie Williams.
Hell is gone and heaven's here. There's nothing left for you to fear. Shake your ass, come over here, now scream. I'm a burning effigy of everything I used to be. You're my rock of empathy, my dear. So come on, let me entertain you. Let me entertain you. Life's too short for you to die, so grab yourself an alibi. Heaven knows you might lie. Marshall, separate your right from wrongs. Come and sing a different songs. The kettle's on, so don't belong. Marshall, so come on, let me entertain you. Let me entertain you. Look me up in the yellow pages. I won't be a rock of ages. You see from fat to the crazy faces, yeah. Little more people's lost this shit.